Is it recording now?
Yes, it is. I spotted one S.A.M tube inside that building, to the right of where that alley was at.
Where are you going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going?
That side.
That side, that side, that side?
This is the S.A.M site building.
SAM site ground.
Yeah.
You take the little cylinders and stick them in the missile site,
Yeah.
and then we can shoot down airplanes. Pull up those pants! Pull up those pants! Here they come! They're in there!
They're in there, they're in there.
Watch out! Hit! Hit!
We got a tube over there to the right. There's one still in that building.
Are we looking for the missiles? Where are they? Where? Oh shit, oh shit. Dead man! What times I gotta shoot that guy? A lot again? Ah, nice shot, nice shot. I got one. Yeah. Cover me, cover me. Missile. Oh shit.
Go, man, go.
You got it, you got it. Hold him, hold him. Blue, blue, blue. Not good. You gotta drop missile! Thank you! Whoa, what was that? Why did I feel like that came from behind me? Well, that's why. Fuck, I'm stuck. Going for it. Got you! He's down.
Bro, can you make way for that?
Pilot. Hit! Watch. I'm gonna try to make it to those pallets. Cover me. Can you cover me? Go. Covering fire. Light them up. I'm gonna go there. Can you cover for me? Go ahead. I'm gonna go. 1. Oh wait. when you start suppressing them, I'll go. Hit. I got my camera. Waiting to respawn. Fast forward if you don't want to wait for me to respawn. Which should be. Hey, there's Sean.
The SAM side is full. Like, it's all blue.
Okay, then we're just on the timer then.
Yeah, we're just defending.
Let's just go out and get kills. Where you going?
I want to go to a kill house. There's a lot of action going on.
Okay, let's go.
Back to like three missiles straight from.
Yeah, we're kicking their butts. I was getting almost up to the spawn again. On the right side. Watch out. Ow! That hurt. That's what I get for not paying attention. Kill house action. Have closed for business today, so come this way. Sorry. I'm out of battery. Shit. Hit. That was a good game.
It was a good game.
We kicked their butts.
Dude. We filled up our side on the SAM.
Yeah.
Oh,
sorry.
Okay, I like it.
Thank you, thank you. Millstone junkie like my AK. I'm honored, even though it's only a CYMA. That is our session for today, folks. See you next week. Same channel, same time, same place.